Hey guys, it's Beth and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the preview for the next pad project that I'm going to be working on using it. And this is actually a continuation of one that I started last winter and then just kind of ran out of time for. This is the Pine Street Square pad from the Paper Studio, which is Hobby Lobby. Originally 60 sheets, 3 designs each of, so 20 designs total. And I've used up a good chunk of it, but I have a lot of scraps left, but then there's also a lot of, whole pages left. And then I've inherited some scraps from my niece who had cleaned out her craft room when she moved. So she had this pad too, so I cut what was left of hers. And I actually bought another pad last year because I wanted to make some more of the projects that I had made for our craft shows. I had done some signs and some blocks and really liked how they turned out. And because there's only 3 of each design, I was limited to making 3 of each of some of those projects. So I ended up buying a whole nother pad. I'm not going to tackle that second pad, but I am going to, focus on using up the pad that I had started in on, as well as the scraps that my niece gave me. So probably still, once you add in the scraps from my niece, it's probably close to a whole pad that I have left, but I have little random scraps too. But here's just kind of I kind of briefly showed you a preview of what I have left. And I really loved this paper, and that's kind of why I went ahead and bought a second one. But I do have some fun plans for this. And some of the projects, I will link the playlist below of the series that I started last Christmas, right before last Christmas, so you can see some of the projects that I've already made. Some blocks, some signs. But now I hope to get some Christmas cards, some card sets made out of here, some bread wraps, Christmas tags. I think I did do some coasters last year with the Santa. I may do some more of those. And then I would like to do an advent calendar. I'm going to work with my husband since he's my woodworker. I'm going to work with him on coming up with an advent calendar that I can use. There's 3 of these pages with the advent calendar numbers on them, or the countdown type numbers. So I would like to do something with those. And then nugget holders, hot cocoa packs. I have some 3x4 Project Lifestyle cards that aren't necessarily Pine Street Square, but they match these really well. And so I think those will kind of help me make some quicker cards with this, and then will also work for the hot cocoa packs. And then there was something else that I had thought of using this for too, but I'll have to kind of work through that. But I'm excited to get back into this one. I had hoped to do like a Christmas in July kind of thing with it and finish it off then, but didn't get to that point. So I am going to focus on that for the last part of October and then in November, and see what else I can create. So this is my pad. If you have Pine Street Square and would love to craft along with me, I would love that. Or if you have used this pad before and have made some fun things with that, let me know. I'm always open to ideas on how to use some of this paper. So let me know what you have made from this pad if you have used it up. If you have any questions on it, let me know. Like I said, I will link the playlist for the series that I started last December, and then we'll kind of pick up from where I left off from there. But I'm excited to dig into this one, and I hope you guys are excited to follow along with me. Thank you so much for your time today, and I hope you're having a crafty week.